VCU fans, take a look at the signs of progress. Behind me right now, it may look like a pile of rubble, but from these ashes will rise a $25 million VCU practice facility. We're here at the corner of Kinney and Marshall Streets behind the Stuart C. Siegel Center, where construction has begun a few days ago on the new VCU basketball practice facility. What will soon sit here will be a state-of-the-art facility which will house the VCU basketball programs, practice courts, meeting space, food space, a place for players to hang out, training rooms, weight rooms. Literally everything they could need will be centralized in this location. This will be the epicenter of VCU basketball for years to come. It's going to be a really exciting time for VCU athletics. In 16 to 18 months, they will have an unrivaled facility. So stay tuned to VCUathletics.com for more updates. We will keep you updated on the progress of this project as it continues. So stay tuned.